Hi, my name's Helen Trethui, and welcome to the third talk about study skills. So, when your child is studying, one of the things that they have to contend with is learning new vocabulary. And some subjects, there is a lot of very subject specific vocabulary. Areas like science, biology, particularly, but also geography. There are words used in those subjects that we don't use in other contexts. And trying to get those words to stick can be a challenge for some children. So, again, as a parent, you can do something to help. And a very powerful method is to use word association. So, if you can link the word to something you're familiar with, or you can understand where the word's meaning comes from, then those things can be really, really helpful. So, things like entomology, that's the idea, the origin of the word, can be really helpful. So, a word like photosynthesis, for example, photo comes from the Greek word meaning light, synthesis means to make. So, photosynthesis is light being used to make food. And then that can help stick that idea together. Equally, you could be thinking, does the word remind you of a word that you already know? So it doesn't have to have the same meaning. It can just kind of sound similar to a word that you already know, and then that can help the word to stick. Equally, things like mnemonics can be very helpful. I remember mnemonics that I was taught as a child, like Richard of York gained battle in vain. That's a way of remembering the colours of the rainbow. And I was taught that when I was about 8, and I still remember it. So these things I would suggest are really good to try. So have a go with your child. Try a bit of word association if they're having difficulty remembering vocabulary, and see how you get on.